Hey guys, welcome back to LJ's Garage. I know it's been a while, but I've been waiting for some parts and the weather's been kind of crappy to say the least. So finally we have some 40-degree temperatures and it means that I can get back in the garage. So I've got to install the bracket, the foam absorber, and get the front bumper back on the Vette. So we're going to knock that out today. So let's get right into it. It won't be too bad to get everything done today. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull this bracket off. So it's going to be all these bolts right along here. So we'll get those knocked out. The next step is going to be this foam absorber. We're going to get this whole pad out of there. So it's going to be 1, 2, and 3. All of this good stuff I got from Corvette nuts. Those guys are awesome. So if you guys are in need of any parts, be sure to hit those guys up. Look at that. You can definitely see which one the new one is and which one the old one is. The tricky part is you've got to get these little circles pretty much lined up perfectly and equal on each side. So you got to move this over in here just till it touches perfectly on almost all sides. Now we're going to throw the new bracket back on. Now it's time to throw on the front bumper. The key to getting everything to fit back perfectly is to put everything back on, but it's nice and loose so you can kind of move the bumper around to where it needs to be. Then once you've got everything fitted just right, go ahead and snug everything down. This is everything put back together. Everything looks good. Bumper needs a little touch up here and there, but all we need to do now is switch out the emblem. Look at that, all gone. Maybe I could just leave it like that. I got one more thing to do, and it's to put on this little door reflector. For this part, all you do is just pop it in. Look at that. Oh, back to normal. So of course, now that everything is back together, I had to take the Vette for a drive. It was awesome, but now I realize that there's a couple more things that I have to address, suspension being the main thing. But thank you guys for checking out this week's episode. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the future episodes.